how to add pro subscribe buttons in CapCut for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'll show you how to add pro subscribe buttons in CapCut for free. But first, you have to go to your web browser and then search for pexels.com. So head over to it, go to videos, and then you'll see a lot of subscribe options there. You can choose any one that you want. So I'll download this one. So once it's downloaded, it will be saved to your gallery or files. I have opened the video in my files. Now what I have to do is I'll have to save the video to my gallery. And once it's saved, I'll go back to CapCut. I'll choose a project. And now I'll tap on overlay, add overlay, and add the video. Now I'll tap on the video and I will go to remove BG, tap on custom removal, go to chroma key, and then move the circle to remove the green screen and increase the intensity. And that's it. You have achieved the Pro Subscribe button in CapCut for free. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.